Hey there, welcome back to Next Level English. Today, we're diving into the Future Tenses MCQ challenge, 35 questions to test how well you know your future tenses. Ready to take on the challenge? Let's get started. 1. What will you do tomorrow? I will go to school. Tips use will for a simple future action. 2. Which sentence uses future perfect tense? I will have finished the work by 6 p.m. Tips will have plus past participle equals future perfect. 3. Choose the correct future continuous sentence. I will be traveling tomorrow at this time. Tips future continuous uses will be plus verb ing. 4. How do you express an intention for the near future? I am going to finish it soon. Tips going to expresses a plan intention. 5. Which sentence shows a prediction? It will rain tomorrow. Tips predictions often use will. 6. Identify the future perfect continuous sentence. I will have been studying for 2 hours by then. Tips will have been plus ing equals future perfect continuous. 7. Choose the correct future tense sentence. The train will arrive at 10 p.m. Tips will indicates future. 8. Which sentence indicates a fixed future event? The concert is at 8 p.m. tomorrow. Tips fixed schedules use present simple. 9. What is the correct sentence for a future arrangement? I am meeting him tomorrow. Tips use am or is or are plus verb ing for planned arrangements. 10. Choose the correct sentence for an offer. Shall I help you? Tips shall is used for formal offers. 11. What expresses a spontaneous decision? I think I'll call her now. Tips will is used for spontaneous decisions. 12. Choose the sentence that expresses a planned action. I am going to study tonight. Tips going to is for planned actions. 13. How do you describe a continuous action in the future? She will be working all day. Tips will be plus verb ing shows future continuous. 14th. Which sentence predicts an inevitable event? The sun will rise tomorrow. Tips future facts use will. 15th. How do you ask about someone's future plans? Are you going to the party? Tips use are you going to for questions about plans. 16. Identify the correct sentence for future intention. I am going to start a business. Tips going to indicates future intention. 17. How do you express a scheduled future event? The train leaves at 6 p.m. Tips scheduled events use present simple. 18. What expresses a promise? I will always support you. Tips promises are often made with will. 19. Choose the sentence expressing a future condition. If it rains, we will stay home. Tips will goes in main clause of future conditionals. 20. How do you express willingness? I will help you. Tips will indicates willingness. 21. Identify the correct sentence for a formal prediction. Experts say the economy will grow. Tips will is used for predictions. 22. How do you ask about someone's prediction? What will happen next? Tips use will to inquire about future predictions. 23. Choose the correct sentence for an arranged future meeting. We are meeting at 5 p.m. tomorrow. Tips use are plus verb ing for arranged meetings. 24th. How do you express a future goal? I will become a doctor. Tips will indicates future goals. 25. What is the correct sentence for making a quick decision? I'll take this one. Tips will is used for quick decisions. 26. What will you do tomorrow? I will go to school. Tips use will for future actions. 27. Which is correct for a future plan? I am going to visit Paris next week. Tips use going to for planned actions. 28. What expresses a spontaneous decision? I will call him. Tips use will for on the spot decisions. 29. Choose the correct sentence for a scheduled event. The train arrives at 10 p.m. Tips use present simple for scheduled events. 30. Which sentence shows an offer? Shall I carry your bag? Tips: use shall for polite offers. 31. What indicates an arranged action? She is meeting the manager at 5. Tips: use present continuous for arrangements. 32. Choose the correct sentence for a prediction. It will rain tomorrow. Tips: use will for general predictions. 33. What is the correct way to talk about an intention? I am going to finish my work later. Tips: use going to for intentions. 34. Which is correct for a warning? You will fall. Tips: use will for warnings. 35. What is used to express willingness? I will help you. Tips: use will to show willingness. How did you do? Share your score in the comments, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more English challenges. Keep practicing. See you in the next video.